morning, dear blooming students and friends. This is Suresh Bhardwaj with common uses of prepositions. Common uses of prepositions. Some prepositions. Common uses of some prepositions. There are some prepositions commonly used in our communication skills, in our writing, in our speaking. Okay, whenever you express yourself, your views, you use these common prepositions in your sentences. Common uses of some prepositions. Let us learn how to use these common prepositions very correctly. Correct uses of some prepositions. At, in. Two prepositions I have taken here. First of all, तो देखिए, we settled at Delhi in India. At, in prepositions. You know, India बड़ा है and Delhi छोटा है. तो for small places in comparison to other places, at, and for bigger place or places, in, to be used. Mahatma Gandhi, another example. Mahatma Gandhi was born. Mahatma Gandhi was born in Porbandar. At Porbandar. Porbandar in Gujarat. गुजरात स्टेट है. पोरबंदर वहाँ छोटा स्थान है. At Porbandar in Gujarat. So here you see for at for means smaller place and in for great or larger area or place, in to be used. छोटे स्थान के लिए और बड़े स्थान के लिए. छोटे स्थान के लिए आप एट लगा रहे हैं और बड़ा क्षेत्र हो गया, बड़ा स्थान हो गया या शहर हो गया या देश हो गया, इन आप लगा रहे हैं. I'll see you. I'll see you at 6 a.m. or p.m. a.m. in the morning. In the morning, सुबह में. और at 6 a.m. in the morning. What does it show? This is now period of time. Period of time हुआ. This is now period of time and at point of time. I mean at refers to point of time and in refers to period of time. So for period of time, in to be used, and for point of time, at to be used. Here in this sentence you can see they say in the morning or in the evening. A period of time. In the noon, in the afternoon, for in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, in to be used. And at night, at noon, at daybreak, at noon, at daybreak, at dawn, at to be used after, before night, before noon, before daybreak, before dawn. At to be used to express or to refer point of time. And to refer or referring for referring a period of time in to be used in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon. At and in. Dear children, dear students, dear friends, you are learning the correct uses of at and in. At in का प्रयोग आप सीख रहे हैं. She is sitting. She is sitting at her desk. She is sitting at her desk. Here, she is sleeping in her room. She is sleeping in her room. In her room, at her desk. Let us analyze. So, she is sitting at her desk. Means at here refers a rest. ये रेस्ट बता रहा है. No motion, स्थिर अवस्था. At here now expresses rest. At referring to a rest. And in her room, सो रही है, तो it is also now at rest. In this way here you see no motion or movement. No motion or movement. In both of the sentences, you see here, at expressing or referring to rest, and in also referring to rest. स्थिर अवस्था में. At and in. You are looking at the uses of at and in different sentences. Next, I would like to take in and into. In और into को देखिए. Okay. She is in the house. Here you see in. She is in the house. Means स्थिरता. She jumped into the river. Here you see action, motion, movement. Okay. Here you see sthirta, at rest. At rest. And into here motion or movement. In that case, if now in referring rest and jump into referring to motion. यहाँ आपका स्थिरता है इनमें और यहाँ पर आपका मोशन है. In this sense, these prepositions to be used. और देखिए in, within, before. Three prepositions have been written here on the board, and let me use these three. I'll come back. I'll come back from the office. From the officer in an hour. 1 घंटे में. In an hour. In an hour, what does it mean? Means here, in here, at the end of, in this sense, in has been used here. At this, here, what does it mean? It means, it shows, it refers to point of time. Point of time देता है, निश्चित समय बताता है. बिल्कुल, in 1 घंटे में. At the end of hour means, it is now point of time. In here, point of time. Point of time. Next, in referring point of time, referring to point of time, निश्चित समय बता रहा है. 1 घंटे के भीतर means 1 घंटे के अंदर means at the time of an hour. जब कहते हैं at the end of an hour, तो अंत तक आ सकता मैं आऊंगा. Next, I will come. I will come back from office. From the office within an hour. Within an hour, what does it mean? Within an hour means क्या है? Within an hour, 1 घंटे के भीतर. के भीतर means maybe before the time, before much, and समय से पहले. Here you say now period of time. Here it is now period of time. Here you see period of time. Within के भीतर means before. And the same I would like to write. I'll do my homework. I'll do my homework. I'll do my homework. My homework before March. Before March next. Next March के पहले means पहले. It is also now point of time. It shows point of time. Point of time. ये भी निश्चित है. This is now. Yes, dear. Other prepositions. Next other prepositions. Let me use for you to make you learn how to use these prepositions very correctly. In and after. In and after. He will come in a month. He will come in a month. और 1 महीने में आएगा. In क्या हुआ? What does it mean? He will come in a month. Here you see future. In expressing future. And he came after a month. What does express? What does the after express? After a month. 1 महीने के बाद आया. Here now expression that is of a past. Future expression in expressing future action and after expressing past, referring to past. Means both both of these two, in and after, both refer to both and expiry of time and expiry of time, expiry of time, समय खत्म होना है तो both expressing expiry of time in refers to future action and after refers to a past action. Next thing, after and behind, after and behind. Let me use after and behind for you dear to understand how to use these prepositions correctly. After here, what does it tell you? After now refers to time, order, position, refers to time, order, position, order or position. After referring to time, referring to order, referring to position, may refer. He came after. He came after 10 a.m. and stood before me. Me का भी प्रयोग आपने देख लिया. तो here after, now it is expressing time. What does it express? What does it refer to? It is after refers to time. Okay. Behind. Behind refers to place. The dog ran behind. The dog ran behind the pet. So behind, पीछे referring to a place. Behind referring to place. Position. Not place or position. Position behind the kite. Behind refers to position. After refers to time. Okay. Next prepositions. Among and between. इनमें से ढेर सारे now prepositions commonly used in daily practical communication. So many of them might have been used by me. Single preposition, double preposition, compound preposition, participial preposition, and phrasal preposition. These are the prepositions. And now many of them, okay, have been used by me. But these are some very common prepositions generally used in our day-to-day life in our during our communication skills. देखिए between and among. Between and among. Between and among. Between for two and among for more than two. Means more than two. Between the inherited Patrick. Inherited property. Inherited property is divided into between the two brothers. But अगर ज्यादा brothers हैं और एवं brothers, The inherited property is divided in between the two brothers, दो भाइयों में inherited property. Property is equally divided. Equally divided. Here, word equally. Okay. So the inherited property is equally divided between the two brothers, दो भाइयों के बीच में. Okay, or among brothers, या सभी भाइयों के बीच में. Okay, तो between for two and among for more than two to be used in the sentences. These are the prepositions commonly used in your during your communication skills, during your language skills, expression. When you are expressing your views, ideas, writing something else, or speaking to someone else at that time, you generally use these common prepositions. Okay, dear. Now, please do watch, like, share, and subscribe. Wish you all the best. Have a nice day.